Okay, 2002 330xi E46 all-wheel drive, talking about the CV axles. To do the CV axles, this is the bare minimum to get them out. Okay, first and foremost, take your wheel off. Then take your caliper off. Then take the axle nut off. After you take the axle nut off, I was able to use an air chisel with the pointed end to push the CV axle out. After I did that and got it loose, I dropped the strut from the knuckle here that holds everything, and I was able to push the CV axle out all the way. I simply zip tied the caliper up to the coil over to hold it up and out of the way. Then I was able to remove the CV axle from the diff, and all you'll need to do there is place a screwdriver in between the casting and pry against the CV axle. This is what they look like when they're removed. Okay, this long one is the passenger. This short one is the driver's side. And obviously you're just going to install them in reverse order. You will need to probably drop the shroud underneath for better access. But that is a short how-to video compared to the 20-minute long ones. So hopefully that's helpful for somebody. Again, this is a 2002 330xi all-wheel drive. Hate this car. It's horrible body roll. It's underpowered. This one's stick. But, you know, no one's going to buy it, so might as well just fix it. Feel free to check out my other videos and subscribe. Thank you.